Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to replace the headlight switch assembly in this classic Chevy Silverado. So this goes for, I believe, the 2003s and to the 2007s. Probably also older ones as well. Anyone that has this headlight assembly housing right here. So the reason you want to replace this is if sometimes these switches fail. And also the issue on this truck is that you can even see back here, this is all the way up. So you can see the lighting on the instrument panel. It's all burnt out. So even these should all be lighting up. This one does a little bit. You can see that. This doesn't light up, and this entire thing doesn't light up, which it should. So we're just gonna replace, instead of doing all the little bulbs, we're just going to replace this entire assembly because it's actually probably going to save you time and money just to replace the entire assembly. This is actually only 36 bucks on Amazon. I'll have a link down in the description. On Amazon right here, this is the one that I bought. It's from Joytitis. I hope I pronounced that right. They actually sent me this product out to do a review for you guys and show you how to do the installation and to see how it compares to the OEM quality. Make sure that this steering wheel is all the way down because you have to pop this guy off. Just for a better view, I'm going to pop the entire thing off. You can just get away with doing it on the side, but this actually just pulls right out. Actually, you know what? Put this in low, and then you can actually get it all the way off. Just like that. You'll probably turn your hazards on or your blinker, put it back in park. Actually, if you just push on the side, it actually is able to pop out just like that. And you have this one connector in the back. And it looks like you just push this tab in and it pops right out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so bear with me. Now, first thing I notice is you can actually hear that. It's probably just grinding a little bit because it's new or something. The OEM slides a lot easier, but this one almost feels like it has grooves almost. So in terms of smoothness on the wheel, I would actually say I prefer the OEM, just because actually it's just broken in a little more. It just feels more smooth. However, for the buttons, this has more of a snappy feel, and this is kind of like definitely worn. Maybe it's the maybe it's just the fact that it's an old switch and that it's been used a lot, and this one is new. This one just snaps a lot more than the OEM. And the button clicks in nice. I mean, that button kind of just feels the same. You can't really tell a difference, but with this and this, you can definitely tell a difference, probably just because it's new. This is one plug, plugged right in, and you can actually see right here, it's LED actually. I'm not sure if it's LED, but that almost looks like LED right here. Just snaps right in. And you can see a lot better now that it lights up. Yeah, you can definitely tell. It's a lot brighter. I mean, that's what it's supposed to do. And if you go all the way up, the interior lights turn on as well, so that functions. You can see my headlights are coming on, so that's good. This button right here is when the doors open and the lights are on. If you hit this button, it'll turn off, so that works as well. Last thing to do is just pop this guy right back on. But that pretty much wraps it up on how to install a headlight switch assembly in your classic 2003 to 2007 Chevy Silverado. Hope this video helps you guys. This is only 36 bucks on Amazon. I'll have all the links in the description below to buy this. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for sending this product out, Phoebe at Sky's Branding. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.